Hey guys, so I want to quickly show you all what you can get in your presenter kit if you decide to sign up with me. So the first thing that you're going to get is actually our 40 Epic Mascara and also some eye cream and a sheet mask. Our bicellular sheet masks are super popular, super pretty, and also very nice and soothing for the skin. It's going to feel like you're in the spa. You also get our Younique bag right here, just like a cute little plasticky bag. It's super cute. You can fit all of your stuff in here. You get your toner, your rosewater toner, a 15-day supply of our collagen, our lash primer, our dip and draw eyeliner, which is super nice, a lip mask, and singular eyeshadow. You get our liquid eyeshadow as well, a liquid lip, our twisted mascara, a blusher and sisterly, which is super nice. You get two brushes, our fluffy crease brush and also our blusher tapered brush as well, which is super nice, and this is a good way to start out your own business as well. You also get your white status medallion thing that you can put somewhere wherever you want to put it. Your keys, whatever you want to do. But this is the best welcome kit. It values over $400, but you're only going to get this kit for $99. This is perfect for starting out your own business, or you guys can get this for your own personal use. You guys do not have to get this kit and start selling right off the bat. If you are interested in that, let me know, and I'd be happy to help you all out. If you guys are interested in just using it and using it for your personal use, you guys certainly can. You can start selling with your family members if they're interested in getting it that way. If you have questions on anything else, just please let me know, and I'll see y'all soon. Bye, guys.